This is my supply of spare Tyvek wallets that I use to update my existing wallet once it's been through the ringer, which can take about 2 years. I've updated the look of these wallets lately, and I'll show you what I did next. Today, I'll be adding a Kydex shield as a protective outer shell to my Tyvek wallet. It'll extend the life of the wallet substantially and also give it a sleeker look as opposed to its current paper construction. Keep in mind, I could have also used sheet metal or wood as a shield. I'll need to measure the overall length and width of the wallet, which is the size I want to cut the outer shield to. Because the length includes the fold in the wallet, I'm subtracting 1/8 inch from the length to allow for the fold. I'll transfer the measurements to the Kydex using my stainless steel ruler and the precision T-rule. It's okay for the measurements to be slightly off, but I'll try to keep the inaccuracy under 1/16 of an inch. To cut the Kydex, I'll use my utility knife. Each cut is a straight line, so I'll use my stainless steel ruler as a straight edge and scribe multiple cuts into the Kydex until I can cut through each of the cut lines. I'll also have to cut the Kydex piece exactly in half. This will leave me with 2 pieces of exactly the same size, one for each side of the wallet. I don't think it matters how the edges are sanded, but I decided to wet sand the edges using 120 grit wet dry sandpaper. All I want to do is remove the sharp edges and pointed corners with as little effort as possible. For each side that I glue, I'm laying the Kydex on the table and putting drops of super glue about 3/8 inch from the edge. This gap allows the edges of the Tyvek wallet to pull away from the Kydex as it expands as more items are added inside the wallet. This is the first time I'm doing this, so I'll have to see if that gap is enough. So this is the new shielded version of my Tyvek wallet. I like the new look of the black Kydex, and the stiffness of the shielded size feels nice in the hand. The paper part of the wallet is much more protected now, especially in my pocket, so I'm expecting this wallet to last a lot longer. If you're into making Tyvek wallets, I think you'll like this modification. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section down below. That's all I have for now, and I will catch you in the next video.